Hi everyone, I'm here to explain the use of WhatsApp, its use positive and negative. Use of WhatsApp 1. Sending the text message, photos, videos and files. 2. Making voice and video calls. 3. Creating group chats with friends or family. 4. Sharing location and contacts. 5. Using filter like status and story. Benefit of WhatsApp: 1. Easy communication. 2. Free. 3. Easy access. 4. Group chat. 5. File sharing. 5. Video calls. 7. Status and story.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I can tell you positive impact of WhatsApp. Number 1, facilitate communication. Number 2, increases connection. Number 3, facilitates collaboration. Number 4, saves time. Number 5, increases productivity. Number 7, improve relationship quality. And now I can tell you negative impact of WhatsApp. Number 1, addiction. Number 2, spreading false information. Number 3, harassment. Number 4, loss of privacy. Number 5, distraction. Number 6, preparedness. Number 7, security of issue. Okay, thanks.